Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it?
Good morning, everybody. All right, so yesterday was kind of a weird day. Yeah, I got back to green and I was happy. No, I never did really trade yesterday. So not really anything to speak of. I did take a trade at the end of the day in Apple that worked out great, but then Apple sold off after the close. So let's take a look at the what the market's doing here. And some days the best thing you can do is not trade, and that was the lesson of the day yesterday, I think. Yeah, and Larry, you've generally done very well, you know. You've been pretty disciplined overall. I can't say, the occasional mental breakdown, but overall you've been pretty disciplined. All right, guys, so the market's gapping down here. I mean, the close yesterday was very, very vicious. Like it rallied up into the close and then sold off right after. That tells me that I'm leaning to the bearish side. So I'm just we are gapping down. This is a market that generally the gap down has been fadeable. So, I'm leaning a little bit in the bearish direction. I do like FIT to the short side. I believe that Fitbit, although not shortable on stock, is a great option short to buy puts on Fitbit. I do have some puts for one of my clients in Fitbit. So Fitbit, in my opinion, is a great short. Let's go through some of the earnings plays. Okay, so first off, Lulu is on my list. Okay, Lulu gapping way down. Guys, so first one is a gap and go down is on Lulu. Okay, so Lulu is a gap and go down. Guys, I have to tell you, though, that Lulu is not only a gap and go down. Lulu is one of the few times that you can actually short this pre-market. So you could pre-market short Lulu. It is right at support. It might fall off the brink. Now, you could do that. It would be puts. Yes, Penny. So you could short Lulu and potentially buy puts at the open. It should go down to $44. The trend is down. The prior day suckered people in long. And then, of course, it bear trapped a lot of people. It's already made a pre-market check market and rallied. Now, I'm not going to enter it pre-market. Okay, I'm not going to enter Lulu pre-market. I'm going to do my standard 3-minute low break. But Lulu is a play that has shock, which then causes the potential to potentially go down fast. So just telling you that is one of the plays that you can do that. Okay, WYNN. Okay, guys, Wynn up huge based on Steve Wynn investing and buying 1 million shares of Wynn stock. It's already gapped up to 66.80. 66.80 puts it right around there. This is a buy setup. Win is potentially a very big win. Okay, WYNN, gap and go up. Okay, win, a gap and go up. So we got Win, a gap and go up. We got Lulu, a gap and go down. Now Win Guys, also Win is another one of these ones where you could go in pre-market. Okay? There's a huge spread on Win though, so it's going to be really hard for you to go in on that one pre-market. All right, guys. So now one of the other things I wanted to start showing you is that one of the things that I do is I have two level twos here. And one of the questions that I had was, how do you get into these stocks so fast? So what I do is I put on one level two, right? I put Win, and I'm getting ready to go long, limit order, Lamp, and then Lulu, limit order. Actually, I'm probably going to pay up for it. I'm going to use ARCA instead. Okay, so I got Lulu and I got Win all loaded up, ready to go. Okay? So that's one of the ways that I get into these stocks so fast is on my other screen, I have my window already preloaded. Okay, with the stocks that I want to trade. All right? And usually I like to have one long and then one short. Does that make sense to everybody? Lulu might be a fade, guys. Lulu signaling as a fade. Win working. Win triggered. I'm thinking Win triggered. I can't really tell if Win, that's the wrong Win. Guys, Win triggered. Actually, Win is triggering right now. If it breaks that high, Win can run up to $72. Kara really the best trade of the day, though. Great mention, Larry. Let's see Win go, guys. Maybe Lulu's run out of steam to the upside. That might be a reversal bar on Lulu, guys. Win blasting off. Win is now officially a winner. All right, I'm selling some more Win here, guys. So far, the trades have worked. Okay. Lulu has not worked. Trying to sell Win. All right, Lulu is the one that's struggling here. I'm probably just going to kill Lulu if it doesn't. Yeah, I'm going to get out of the Lulu. It doesn't look. I'm just going to put a stop on it above $51. $50. Lulu looked like a great gap fade. It could be a little double top, so I'm going to stick in it for a little while. It's right at VWAP, so this could be the reversal spot. If Lulu rolls over, this could drop right back down, and then this could be a big winning day. All right, guys, all out of the Cara. Made $53 on Cara on this account. Guys, I'm just going to put a stop on these 50 shares of Win. My entry cost is $67.36. $67.36. So 67.37. So I put my stop on Win. I'm going to forget about that trade. I'm only risking $50. Lulu, I think, is going to roll over and die. So I'm okay with staying in Lulu. Let me take a look at Cara. I think Cara might be done if it doesn't break. It could be a red, green, and then another red leg down. So I'm just going to wait on Cara. The high price is $17.65. So the stop would be $17.71. Okay, guys, Lulu not going down yet. Should have just covered Lulu here. This could become the beginning of a 1, 2, 3 continuation. If it rolls over, though, this can be a great trade. So I'm going to stick If it rolls over, though, this can be a great trade. So I'm going to stick with it. I reduced my risk by covering half in case it doesn't go down further. Watching Wynn for a possible secondary move. Yes, it is reloadable on pullbacks on Wynn. So like, for instance, I could take another 50 shares of Wynn. If I get filled. Now I got to update my stop. My average cost now on Wynn is at 67.61. There goes Wynn. Just for the sake of booking some more profit, I'm going to put some more out. Hopefully I get filled. I did. Put my stop. Market at 67.64 and continue to run the trade. Lulu not working, guys. I'm going to just put a stop on Lulu at $50. You know what? I'm just going to get out. The problem is I don't want to get out if, no, there you go, I'm out. All right, so I should have just got out when I said I'm going to get out. But, you know, what are you going to do? Not all of them are going to be winners. Still up $220. By the way, guys, Kara got kiboshed. Look at Kara, guys. That was that beautiful 1, 2, 3 down. I did stay with Kara in my other account. Made another $160. Only 200 shares, guys. That's the beauty of this style of trading, is that you really don't need to have large share size to make significant gains. Okay, and I do think Kara will make one more jig down. I'm going to look at Win again. Win is very close to my target. I'm probably just going to cash out and take my money. I say cash out because it's a casino stock. Guys, I'm out of Kara, made $180 on the other account. 180 bucks there, 205 there. Not bad. $380 on virtually very, very little risk.